Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork liver pate using an easy method. First, you will need to gather your fresh pork liver, some bacon, and essential aromatics like onions and garlic. Next, prepare your ingredients by dicing them appropriately. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a delicious final product. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. Begin by cooking your bacon until it's wonderfully crispy, then set it aside. In the same pan, sauté your diced onions and minced garlic until they are soft and translucent. Now, add the pork liver and cook it gently until it's just lightly browned on all sides. Finally, combine all these cooked ingredients with a generous amount of butter and your chosen seasonings in a food processor, blending until perfectly smooth. Once your pate is beautifully blended, transfer it into a terrine, small ramekins, or any suitable serving dish. Smooth the top surface and cover it tightly. It's crucial to chill the pate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set completely and for the flavors to fully meld. When ready, serve this rich delicacy with warm, crusty bread, your favorite crackers, or tangy cornichons for a delightful contrast. For optimal freshness, store your homemade pork liver pate in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. If you've made a larger batch, you can easily freeze individual portions for longer preservation, ensuring you always have some on hand. This makes it perfect for entertaining or a quick, elegant snack. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.